welcome to my channel. I'm Elma. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated Kylie's look from her Get Ready With Me, I think it's like Astro Tour. First I saw the picture on my Instagram feed. I'm like, oh my god, that pop of pink is so dope and such a good idea. I'm sure she's not the person who invented that, but I was like, ooh, this is really cool. I want to do this. And I saw that she had a video on it and I was like, yes, I'm gonna follow her tutorial and, you know, do the look. So I use the products that I already have. Like her, I didn't show the skin. I'm kind of regretting that. Maybe I should have, but yeah, let's get right into it. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me, and let's get right into it. Okay, so I've done my face because in the video she had already done all her face makeup, which is really weird for me because if you've been here for a while, you know I do my eyes first and then I move on to the face. So I powdered a little bit extra under my eyes, so if there's any fallout I can just brush it off. She was really matte in her look, so that's what I did. I went all matte. So like her, I'm gonna be using the bronze palette by Kylie Cosmetics. This is the one from one of the first launches when she came out, and like her, I'm gonna be using Topaz and Tiger Eye to define the crease a little bit. So apart from this and maybe the brow pomade, the rest of the products are not what she used because I don't own them. And ever since her launch of, I want to say like 2016, the fall one where there's like brown sugar and all that, I haven't bought anything from Kylie Cosmetics. Why? I don't know, like I feel like there's some cool stuff that came out, but like I've not felt pushed to buy any of those. Plus the minute it's like from the States and you order a certain amount, you get like fees at the door, and if I can avoid that I will, because there's nothing so annoying as ordering something online and then it arrives to you and you have like extra fees at the door. So I just don't order. Like I don't really order from anything else than Sephora or if I'm going in stores myself. So yeah, that's that's the thing. Recently I ordered the Katie and Desi collection, like the new one that came out. I got one of the glosses, one of the highlighters, and the eyeshadow palette. I know there are a ton of looks online from a couple of months back from when this launched, but if you want to see any looks from me with the new Desi and Katie Joseph Colors collection, just comment below and I'll talk to you guys. She goes in a little bit more with Topaz to define the crease a little bit more, so I'm just gonna do that. Obviously Kylie and I don't have the same eye shape, so I'm just working with what God gave me. I follow Kylie on Instagram and I really like her feed. Like it's so, like she's such a cool chick. Like honestly, you can say what you want about the Kardashians and there's a lot to say, trust and genuine. Kylie must be one of my favorites. I think she's the only one I follow. Like I don't even follow Kim. I used to follow Chloe for a while and then I stopped because I don't know, I couldn't relate anymore. I don't know. But yeah, Kylie, I feel like if I met her in person, I think we could vibe off each other really good. Then she goes in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and I think she uses it in the color chocolate, so I'm gonna do the same. She creates like a little wing. I'm not very good in using like gels and stuff like that for wing liners. I'm more of a felt tip kind of girl, so we're gonna try. I think the reason is because this angle brush is really good, but it's a bit too long and I feel like I don't have enough control when I'm using it, so I'm just gonna go like this. I think it's the best way. Okay, I think this will do. Then she goes on to use some pink, and for that I don't have the palette that she owns, but I'm first gonna go in with this color over here called Coral. This is from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, and I'm gonna be using this this brush, the 219 from MAC. that's gonna serve as my base. And then she used another color on top of that. She said it kind of had a satin finish. I don't own it, so I'm gonna go with this color from COSTALSCENTS, and it's called Coral Rose. So it's a little bit more popping than the other one. And if you don't know, like COSTALSCENTS, like their eyeshadows, like your singles, are so inexpensive.
Concentrate it a little bit more on the top over here. Ooh, that's cute. I'm gonna apply some mascara, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes. And for mascara, I'm using the Hypnose Drama from Lancome. It's one of my favorites. She said she didn't apply false lashes, but her lashes look pretty long, so I don't know if those are her actual lashes or maybe she had like extensions done or something. But I feel like this look could benefit from falsies. And for falsies today, I'm gonna be using OP lashes in Unforgettable. These ones over here. That's what I'm gonna be using. So I'll put them on and I'll be right back for the rest. Okay, so I've put on the lashes. It's been a little while now actually since I did that, because my friend Tanya is going away on holidays and she brought in her cat for me to cat sit, so I'm really excited. So what she did then is use again Tiger Eye and Topaz, and she just used that under her eyes to kind of like smoke out the lower lash line. Oh, there she Hi Munchkin. Look at this little cutie. Hi Luna. Meet my subscribers. How tiny she is, oh my god. She's like the size of one of my boobs. I need to, you know what, let's do this like this. Anyway, Bubs, you gotta stay. This is gonna be an interesting tutorial. Kylie had Stormy, I have Luna. And for blush, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio. This is in Pink Passion. And her blush was quite bright, so I'm gonna use a mix of this and that, just like that. And just apply it right there. She had quite rosy cheeks, so that's what I'm going for. Now for highlighter, she used kind of like soft gold color. And I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie, and that is the Becca Champagne Pop. It's this one. I'm going to be using the Fenty highlighter brush and just apply that there like that. Yeah, baby. Just a little bit on my nose. I don't think she applied any on her nose, but this is a little bit too much. I'll be right back with the lips. I'm just gonna take care of my whole cat situation. Remember Kylie setting her face or anything, but I am gonna set all of this before I go on to the lips. And for setting, I'm gonna be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh my god, I've been sleeping on this. Like, this is so good. Ooh. It's such a fine mist. It's so nice. Like, it doesn't mess up your makeup or anything, so that's really nice. For my lips, she first lined her lips with like a brown lipstick with a brown liner, and I'm gonna be using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Brown Sugar. Oh, I think Luna wants to come out, but let me just finish this. I know Kylie lines her lips like eyes closed, but I can't. I don't think I can. Yeah, this
that's what I have to do. And she uses kind of like a pinky nude liquid lipstick, and I don't remember the color she used, but I think Uncuffed by Fenty Beauty is quite similar, so that's what I'm gonna be using. I love the Stunner lip paints. Simply, like, the formula is bomb, but the applicator is even like so worth it. Is it travel friendly because of the glass packaging? No, but I'm not traveling, so. Yep, I think hers was a bit more nudie, like more brownie, but this will do, right?